Hello friend, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to install TestCase Studio free version and pro version, and after installation where to find in the browser. So first, like here in free version, just open this, go to SelectorsHub website and click on this TestCase Studio, and here you will find like add to Chrome, or if you want to add on any other browser you just click on here and here you will find the links for all of them. So let's say you want for Chrome, click on this, and here you have to simply click on add to Chrome and add extension. After adding extension, it will be here, but you will not see the TestCase Studio logo here. Whatever existing extension you have, you will see them here, and also you will see this default extension logo. This is from Chrome. Just click on this and here you will find all the extension which you have installed, and whichever you want to pin, you can pin them to toolbar. So here you make sure that you pin it to toolbar, pin this, and then you will see the TestCase Studio logo here. Now if you go to any website and click on the logo, it will get a start, and now you can just simply start recording whatever you want. Like let's say you want to search for something, you can search here and it will record. So you can see that both the steps has been recorded. So this is how you can install TestCase Studio free version, and you can find it on your browser here. Make sure after installation it will not be visible here, so you have to click on this default extension logo and then pin. After that it will be visible here. Okay, similarly, like for TestCase Studio pro version, just go here, click on the pro version here and click on add to Chrome, and here you can install add to Chrome, add extension, and then like by default it will come and then it will get disappear. You can pin it to toolbar and it will be available here. Now if you go to any website, click on the logo and it will open the login window. If you have taken the subscription, you must have got the credential, or if you are a team member, then you must your admin must have added you and you must have received the credential email. If you face any problem, you can always reach out to us on the live chat on SelectorsHub website, and we are always happy to help you. If you have any question, do let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.